Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Fields. I love to stretch and strengthen these hips. So let's start. We're going to do a little 90-90 today, which is you're going to love this. Go ahead and just bring your hand over here, and just stretch the side from this cross-legged position. Let's just do a few of these. Just warm it on up. Feeling good. It's a happy day. Let's get those hips moving. Here we go. Work it. You're stretching your obliques right here. A little bit of the Gluteus minimus. We have a maximus, we have a medius, we have a minimus. Let's give it a little attention here. All right, so the 90-90 means that your front knee is going to be at 90 degrees and your back is also. So let's go ahead and bring, you can do the mirror image of what I do. So I'm bringing my left foot forward, you bring your right foot forward. Just like this. So we see a 90 degrees here, we see a 90 degrees here, and we're straight up. So we're gonna start with a stretch. You're gonna lean back here, and you're gonna feel a stretch in that joint capsule, okay? Ooh, that is a good stretch. Boy, we're gonna do 3 different stretches, and then we'll do the exercises where we're pulsing into that end range motion. Just lean back, feel that, bring that leg back a little bit further if you can, just so it comes straight off from your body, and then into a 90 degrees. Good, now come up, and just lean over to your left, grab that outer knee, and the hand comes on the head, and just coming over to the side. Ooh, feeling that inner thigh, loving it, doing things that your hips probably haven't done in a while. You're gonna get up from this feeling pretty fantastic. Fantastic. Go ahead all the way over to the side, pulling it, and now the next one we're gonna dive in forward, okay? I want your knee, I want your nose going right towards the middle of your shin, not over to the left or to the right, right in the middle. And now we feel it in the glutes, we feel it in down the leg a little bit, maybe even, and in that upper outer glute called the gluteus medius. Feeling good. If you can, bring the hands out and come a little bit more forward. Take some deep breaths in, always through your nose. And let your body relax forward. Good. Coming back. Now we're going to take the back leg, keep the knee down if at all possible, and just lift the leg just like this. So we're going to lift it and bring it down. Lift it. If this is impossible for you, come over here and cheat a little bit. But keep lifting and down. Lift. Just like that. Lift, down. Drive that knee into the ground. That back leg is lifting up. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to come to the top of that range of motion and we're going to pulse. So pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. Ooh, are you feeling a burn? I hope so. Let's get right into it. Pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. Good. Good, let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one you're going to keep this knee down. If you have to, lean over here, and we're going to lift that just like that. And we're going to lift the foot while the knee stays down. A lot of you are going to be able to just be totally straight up. I can't. You're going to push the opposite knee in and just lift that foot. Keep that. If you have to, push on that knee and lift the foot off. Keep lifting. We love it. Keep lifting and lift, lift. Woo, that's good. You feel it way deep in. If you're just visualizing it right now, hey, this isn't really happening, really go over here and lift it that way. Just get it done, however you got to get it done. Okay, we're going to go back to the back leg again. Okay, lift and down. Lift, down. Good. Down, lift. Now let's go, what we're going to do is keep lifting. Now we're going to come up to the very peak of the range of motion and then just kind of hang out there and pulse. So pulse, 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 pulse. Drive that knee into the ground and lift that foot. Woo. You don't feel a burn. Put some leg weights on, but I don't think you're alive. Okay, let's go ahead and do the front one again. and lift and down. Lift, down. Good. Lift, down. Lift, down. If you have to, just lift it like this if you have to. But we want this active for the most part. Lifting it, lifting it. Good. So we're going to switch to the other side. Go ahead and put the other leg forward. My right, your left. And bring it on back. The chest is up. And we're going to just notice the back leg is at 90 degrees, the front leg's at 90 degrees. And we're just going to come back and do a nice stretch. Chest is up. Keep those abs engaged if you can. Just remind them in, not just allowing that belly to come out, leaning back, feeding that cartilage some lubrication, pushing out any waste products, bringing in nutrition. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and come to the side now. So come straight up, grab that outer knee, and pull to the side. If you can't bring this hand up, that's okay right now. And just come to the side. Again, you might just be here, no problem. Remind that belly button in, smile a little bit, relax that face. We want your body to know, hey, I can do this. I do a lot of cold water plunges, right? I go into where there's snow and cold water, and my body knows now that I'm not gonna get out, so it doesn't give me the resistance, right? Let your body know that you're in on this. You're ready. You're going forward with this no matter what. So keep that relaxed countenance and allow your body to go into a little bit of a painful stretch, but relaxed. Your body says, okay, they're gonna do this. We're okay, we're in. Okay, now come forward, bring the nose in between, right in between the ankle and the knee. You're coming right in. Ooh, I love this one. This is all in preparation so you can do that great 90-90, the lift. It's a good one. I just can't wait for you to stand up after this. Leave a comment, please. Good, so let's go ahead and come up. And then we're gonna lift that back leg. You ready? Lift and down. Lift, down, lift. Perfect. Lift. I've seen people lift their legs over a foam roller. I mean, they have that kind of range of motion. I'm not there, but I'm participating. And so are you. Lift. Now let's get a little pulse in there. So pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. That muscle can reset and fire again. Pulse it, driving that knee into the ground. Pulse it, pulse it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, let's go with the front now. We're gonna lift that foot and bring it down. Lift it, bring it down. Lift, bring it down again. You need to cheat a little bit, come over here, not a problem. Eventually, you're gonna get your body way more straight up and down. Lift it and down, lift. Drive that knee into the ground. Even drive the opposite knee into the ground. Drive your right knee into the ground as you're lifting your left leg. Good. Not the whole leg though. Good. And pulse, 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 pulse. Give your body what it needs. Come on, push it, make it burn. Good. All right, let's get the back one again. Lift and down. Lift. Good. Lift. Down. I seem to be doing the back a lot easier than I can do the front. Probably the same for you. Keep lifting. Feeling it. Body's warming up. Temperature warming up. Working things you normally do not work. I find after I get up from this, I'm aligned. My toes are pointing straight. Everything, I don't have that little foot flare or anything like that. I feel stable. Good. Now pulse it. Pulse. Pulse. Keep pulsing. Come on. Give it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, beautiful. Let's go with the front again. You ready? Go. Pulse, hit it, bringing it up, bringing it up. It should be burning right now. And now give it 10 pulses. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On the home stretch. 8, 9, 10. So good. Okay, we're gonna do a little froggy pose here. So come on all fours. Let's bring the legs real wide. Again, 90 degrees. Real wide, and then get those elbows on the ground. Good, and then just push back. Good, you're gonna feel, again, a nice stretch to just finish this off. And just breathe into it. Big breath in. And as you breathe out, just push with your hands a little bit and feel that deep into the joint capsule. Big breath in. Good. And just breathe out into the joint capsule. Good. Let's slowly come out of this. Go back into that cross-legged position. And let's leave off where we started. Let's just do a few of these. And just laterally bend, bring the hand over. Good. You might want to pair this with my hip stretch videos or some of the low back and core videos. So happy that you are taking care of your hips, and it was great to be with you here today.